The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about the Cricket Vision, guys. So the Cricket Vision is a new phone for Cricket Wireless only, available at Best Buy. The Cricket Vision is for $9.99, so this is a budget smartphone, so do keep that in mind, guys. So I don't know who makes this phone. If you guys know who makes this phone, let me know. So there's a phone right there in front of you. So so you guys have a front-facing camera, earpiece. You have your screen there, you get the full screen real estate there, you have your buttons for Android there. I do like the wallpaper a little bit there on the Cricket Vision. That thing looks pretty nice. Yeah. There's the phone there, guys, on the front. Left side you have nothing. Right side you have your power and volume buttons there. On the back of the Cricket Vision you have a noise cancellation microphone, camera flash, and speaker. So there's no logos whatsoever on this phone, and you have a headphone jack on top. Alright. On the left side you have nothing. Right side, like I said before, you have your power button and your RAM button there. On the bottom of the Cricket Vision you have micro USB charging and a microphone there. Alright. It says enjoy mobile surfing through a high-speed 4G LTE network with this Cricket Vision smartphone. It runs smoothly on the Android Oreo Go Edition via a 5-core processor, and it has a 5.5-inch FWVGA display for quality widescreen viewing. Expanded storage of this 16GB Cricket Vision smartphone with up to 128 GB of micro SD memory. Alright. So it has 16 GB of storage. It has Android Go Edition, Oreo Edition, Android Oreo Go. So you need to keep that in mind, alright, guys. So specs on here are gonna be budget, you know what I'm saying. So that's what it is, guys. So there's the more features of the phone there. What you guys get in the box is nothing special, guys. Y'all guys get the Cricket Vision. The battery, charger, and the owner's manual there. The Cricket Vision has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 210 processor, quad-core 1.1 GHz, and 1 GB of RAM. Delivers outstanding overall performance for opening and running applications, flipping through menus, running home screens, and more. Android 8.1 Oreo Go Edition. You keep that in mind. Go Edition offers a fast platform to help you stay connected and productive while you're on the go. 4G LTE speed provides fast web connection for downloading apps, streaming content, and staying connected on social media. 5.5-inch display displays text, emails, games, photos, and videos with clarity. 5-megapixel rear-facing camera with f2.4 aperture lens. Capture images and videos on the go. Also includes a front-facing 2-megapixel camera for self-portraits and video. 16 GB of internal memory and micro SD slot. Provides plenty of storage space for contacts, music, apps, and more. Expand storage up to 128 GB by adding a micro SD card. That's obviously so separately. Of course, it's available on Cricket Android 8.1 Oreo Go Edition. Keep that in mind. 1.1 GHz quad-core processor, Snapdragon 210, 16 GB of ROM, 1 GB of RAM, 5.5-inch display there, FWVGA about 178 ppi there. It's not water resistant. 1 GB of RAM, Qualcomm, 2-megapixel front-facing camera, 5-megapixel rear-facing camera. It has an MSM 8909 processor there, Snapdragon 210, like I said. It has internet, obviously text, email, keyboard, touchscreen, mobile card slot, micro SD, mobile hotspot, built-in GPS sensors, accelerometer, proximity sensor, wireless charging, no, headphone jack, yes, display type TFT LCD panel, 854 by 480, that's 178 ppi right there, touchscreen, yes, integrated camera, yes, front and back, 1080p video recording, 30 frames per second, lithium-ion battery, 3000 mAh battery. So y'all guys should get a great battery life on this phone. Cause the display on this phone fucking sucks. It sucks ass. Trust me, it sucks ass. So y'all guys should get great battery life on this one. Great battery life. It has Bluetooth, of course, micro USB charging, 128 gigabytes micro SD card expansion, nano SIM card. It's Cricket smartphone blue model number there. Has all this stuff here. It has Bluetooth and all that Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 802.11 BGN. It weighs 5.29 ounces. The dimensions of the Cricket Vision is 6.1 inches height, 3 inches width, and 0.35 inches depth. And like I said, phone weighs 5.29 ounces. Like I said, Cricket. So there it is, guys. The Cricket Vision on Cricket Wireless, only available at Best Buy for $59.99. This is an Android Go edition smartphone. So do keep in mind that this is a Android Go edition smartphone. So that's why the specs are not that great. Could this run Good Pie? Maybe. So it has all the Go apps on here from Google. So basically a light version of Android, basically. I do like the wallpaper on this one. I like the fact that it has LTE, it has Oreo, it has a removable battery, micro SD card slot. But other than that, the phone is what it is, guys. You know, don't really rag on it too much, guys. Just do keep in mind this is Android Go. Keep that in mind, guys. So before you guys go fucking talking shit about this phone, it is Android Go. So the specs on the Android Go phones are not that great. So yeah, I do like the wallpaper though. I think it's a pretty nice wallpaper. I don't know who makes this phone. If you guys know who makes this phone, let me know. It's probably Freetel who made the Cricket Wave, so I don't know who makes this phone. So yeah, there it is, guys. Cricket Vision, available at Best Buy for $59.99. So yeah, that's pretty much it there, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.